How to create an Epic Games account. So first, just open up your browser. Or other method is just open up the Epic Games launcher and just simply click on create account right here when you've opened it. And wait for it to load. And now you just simply need to click on or put the date of birth right here. So I'm just going to put mine. And just click on continue. Now it will bring you right here where you could input your email address and your first, last name, and display name. Of course, I'm just gonna input mine right here. So just to remember, this is the same process with the one in the browser. So I'm just gonna do it here on my launcher. So you could also download the launcher and do this also. Now just input your first and last name, then put your display name right here. And once that's all filled up, just simply click on this tick box right there, then click on continue. Wait for it to load. Now it will send a verification email. Just simply get the code on the email that you've input earlier. And now as you can see, I have the email right here. So just simply copy that email or the code on that email, then go back to Epic Games and just simply paste it right here. Okay, just type it. So it's 216550. Once that's done, just simply click on verify email. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it already says preparing Epic Games Launcher. Once you're here, you could now play any game that you want. So let's say when you go to library, or if you want to play Fortnite, simply find Fortnite right here. So click on search store, then click on Fortnite right there. And once you're there, just simply wait for it to load. And now just simply click on get right here. And now just click on I have read, click on accept. That will bring you right here to this order page. So there is no payment right here. You just simply need to click on the place order right there to add Fortnite to your account. And just wait for it to load. And as you can see, it is now done and the purchase is complete, which is completely free. Just remember. Now just click on view and library. And as you can see, there's a install button right here for Fortnite. Just simply click on it, click on install, and click on this I have agree tick box right there and click on accept. And click on yes if it prompts you to. Now as you can see, Fortnite is now installing. You just need to wait for it to finish, and that's how I basically create an account in Epic Games.